Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and get notifications. My videos are 100% free.
Welcome guys, this is the big rat cave in the hole in earth. Today I'm use smoke grenade in this cave and 12-volt ignitions. This is the 9-volt two batteries and we show yeah, this is 9-volt two batteries in 18-volt. You can 18-volt this battery. Yeah, and this is grenade. This is scrap pipe, steel pipe, and this is a extra wire. This is red and yellow is the ignition wire, and inside is the smoke fuse. Let's. Then I saw this wire. Yeah, this is the smoke grenade, and this cave. Yeah, three cave one, two, or three. Then I use this bomb. Show properly. This is the connections plus minus the yellow and red, and this is scrap pipe. This hole is the smoking, and then now this is blast, and inside is ignitions, 12-volt electric ignition, and I insert this cave is bomb. I'm using a flexible pipe this cave. Yeah, this fix pipe on. Let's start in cave trip. Okay, I'm using this pipe because the cave is not straight, is zigzag, up down, is variable caves. Then his pipe is flexible. Where is the move and the move? Okay, um, okay, guys. That is liters is 1 meter approx inside this cave. Then I fix this cave's head on earth, fully airtight cave. Then I make this earth. This stone is stuck in the cave. Okay, then I fix this cave is airtight. One, all three in one caves is airtight. Then I fix this camera here, my, and oh, camera fix it. Okay. Ah, this is the 18-volt battery. Can I use 9-volt battery? This work properly. In the 18-volt battery, it's work excellent work with the voltage. Is I'm connecting these wires. There is a plus wire is first connection. Then I'm neutral wire is ignition last. Then I touch this and blast this. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Yeah, is work fully worked. Okay, let's check it. Smoke is smoke. Smoke. This potassium nitrate and sugar smoke is poison smoke. Smoke. चल. Oh, चला. This is the I pushed it. Excellent. The cave is full smoke. Then is the big rat. Is dead. This fully smoke is earth is up. You like this video? Like,
Excellent work.
subscribe and share. Please subscribe